Baby, work it. Baby, work it.
Hey, Rhoda, what should we make for dinner today?
Let's make an oven-baked spaghetti.
Okay, I could get down with that. Tell me more.
So we're gonna do uncooked spaghetti, marinara, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning or oregano.
Oh, yes, that's a great idea. And then cover it with water so that way it can obviously cook.
Yes, but we have to mix it really well to make sure that the spaghetti noodles don't stick together.
Yes, and then cover it and then bake it.
Yeah, and then halfway through we'll mix it just to make sure it doesn't stick.
Okay, I like that idea. And then after that, we got to add a topping. We can't just leave it like this.
Mozzarella cheese, hello.
Yes, okay. I'm so for this. And then rebake it. So then what happens?
So it'll get nice and like bubbly and it'll be
Yes, I like that idea. Okay, let's twirl this spaghetti.
And get this, oh my God.
Yes.
Talk about easy, delicious, and so damn good. Yes.
Hey everyone, it's Ariana, and this is some of the most mind-blowing chicken you'll ever eat. It's called takganjeon, and it's this sweet and crispy Korean fried chicken that's unlike anything I've ever had before. The chicken is perfectly crunchy on the outside and covered in an amazing spicy sweet sticky sauce. Start by covering 4 cube chicken breasts with a cup of buttermilk, and then season with some salt, white pepper, and garlic powder. Give that a stir and then pop it into the fridge to marinate for an hour or overnight. Then to your bowl add 1.5 cups of flour, plus your baking powder, dried thyme, chili flakes, paprika, salt, and pepper. This is gonna be the crispy coating for the outside of our chicken, so add your chicken in there and stir it around, and then fry your chicken in hot oil for a couple minutes on each side till they're nice and golden. I fry the chicken in batches so it cooks evenly and doesn't overcrowd the pan. Finally, for our sauce, we're gonna simmer soy sauce, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, brown sugar, honey, and gochujang, which is this insanely delicious spicy Korean fermented chili paste, and then simmer for 5 minutes and coat the chicken. Then top with a sprinkle of toasted sesames, red pepper flakes, and sliced scallions. Let me know which dishes you'd like to see next. Check out the full recipe on my Instagram and follow for more food from around the world.
When pizza and egg rolls collide, this is what you get. Paper down, pepperoni in, mozzarella cheese stick. Roll that thing nice and tight, you know what I'm saying? Give them a bubble bath, perfect golden brown. Brush with that garlic and herb butter and let that Parm and Romano reign. Plate it up, serve with your favorite marinara, and enjoy.
Let's make a low-carb cheese wrap using Roth Gouda cheese. It's so creamy and shreds perfectly, so you can use it instead of sliced cheese. Form it into an even shape and toast for a few minutes until the edges are golden and bubbly. Then you can stuff it with whatever you want. I'm adding some turkey, mustard, pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, and pickled onions. It is so fun to make and even more fun to eat, especially on days when you just don't feel like having bread.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my super crispy fried chicken wraps. We're going to start with a simple marinade, and don't worry if you don't have any buttermilk, you can just use some milk and lemon juice. So cut some chicken breasts into thin strips and let that marinate for a few hours. Now while that's in the fridge, if you want to be a little bit extra like me, you can make some homemade spicy mayo. And then once you've made the flour coating with a bunch of spices, you're ready to dip. Okay, so the trick to getting that crispy flaky coating is to double or even triple dip between the marinade and flour, and then leaving it to sit for about 5 minutes so it doesn't come apart when you're frying. And then once the oil is hot enough, you want to fry them for about 5 or 6 minutes until they're nice and golden like this. And then you can just make the wraps. So fill your tortilla, add some sliced cheese, then wrap it up like I'm showing you here. And then obviously you want to toast it and melt the cheese, so fry it on a pan on both sides and you're done. Just look at how cheesy that is. Honestly, you guys need to try this. And head over to my Instagram if you want to see how you can make these without frying.
Boy, toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope dealer money, he was getting some coins. Was the shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real, real, real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came dressed to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him pushing daffodils. I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb.